first we start with making the marshmallow. The first row is 8 single crochet in a magic ring. I use chains for making the magic ring, so I make a slip knot, 2 chains and 8 single crochet in the first chain. Mark the first stage here. Eight. Now join the round with a slip stitch here. And chain 1. And for the second round we should make 8 increases. It means 1 increase in each stitch. So in total we will have 16 single crochet at the end of this round. So in the same stitch we did our slip stitch, we make our first increase. I finished the increases. Now join the round with a slip stitch and chain 1. The third round is 1 single crochet and in the next stitch an increase for 8 times. This is my first single crochet and an increase, and I should repeat this for 7 more times and in total 8 times. Okay, I finished this round, and at the end of this round you should have 24 single crochets. And now join the round and chain 1. From row 4 to row 8 for 5 rounds you just need 2 single crochet all around, and in each round you will have 24 single crochets. And I will meet you guys back again when I finish the row 8. Now I finished row 8. I joined the round and chain 1. For row 9 we need to do 1 single crochet and then a decrease. So first I make single crochet, and now it's time to decrease. I use the front loop method. To do that, just insert your hook into the front loop of next stitch, then directly to the front loop of the next stitch, like this. Yarn over, pull through these two front loops, and you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. And you just need to repeat this 1 single crochet and decrease for 8 times, and at the end of this row you will have 16 single crochet. Then join the round. I place the eyes somewhere between row 5 and 6, and a little bit here, and a little bit here. And also you can use bigger eyes for your marshmallow. It's based on your taste, whether you like smaller size or bigger size. Now you can stop your marshmallow as well. And the last row is just 8 decreases. And the last decrease here. Then join the round and chain 1. Stuff our marshmallow a little bit more before closing this gap. Just start closing this hole by inserting your needle in the front loops of each stitch, like this. And just pull it tight. And weaving its ends to the body of the marshmallow. This is our little cute marshmallow here. It's also like a rice cake, isn't it? I'm using 2 strands of this yarn to match my previous color and my previous yarn. This yarn. So the other thing is that it's better to use a bigger size of crochet hook. My previous one was 4mm and I'm using 4.5mm hook to crochet the clothes. First round is 25 chains. So you make a slip knot and chain 25. You need to join the beginning and end of this chain up with a slip stitch to the beginning, like so. Now chain 1, and for the next round you just need to single crochet all the way around. Then join the round with a slip stitch here and chain 1. We just turn our work after making chain 1 and make 20 single crochet. And after 20 single crochet, chain 1, turn your work again, make 20 single crochet. Then 20. Okay, so we need to join this part to this part. Now, to do that, we make 6 chains. 1, 2, after making 6 chains, we single crochet to this side, and now we make 40 single crochet in total. And now we decrease all over around till we only have 8 single crochet. Okay, I only have 8 single crochet left, so just slip stitch, chain 1 and cut off my yarn. And now we need to close this hole like we did for the marshmallow, just in the front loops. Okay, now it's time to make the spikes. To make the spikes, chain 3 and single crochet into the first chain here. Now chain 4 and single crochet into the third chain here. And again 4 chain, in the third chain single crochet, and make it as long as you want it to be. So I just chain 1 and cut my yarn. Okay, here how it looks like when you finish the spikes. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Please subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.